Good morning, kinders and families. Today is Wednesday, April 15th. As I'm looking at our learning board for today, make sure you check out Miss Sampson's announcements in our daily calendar. And then today is the day we are going to attempt our first Google Meet from 9 to 9:30. So if you haven't checked out the directions, I'd click on that. Um, you can do it from a Chromebook, you can do it from an iPad, you can do it from a phone. I will send you the link via Seesaw Messenger. All you will have to do is click on the link and it should let you in. Now, I totally understand technology can be difficult, so I'm already assuming we're going to have glitches on the way, and that's okay. Again, it's going to be fun. It is optional. Don't let this stress you out. If you get on or get your child on, great. We're just going to practice muting and unmuting the microphone today and learn how to talk to each other on there and just see each other and say hi. So that will be happening. Watch for the link to come about 10 to 9, and then if it's not working, try refreshing your screen too. Those are just some suggestions that I've gotten from other peers who are also doing Google Meets with their students. And so we'll just give it a go and see what happens. If you go and click on the day for today, here are what the students are working on: a review of 2D shapes, some practice in their book, and then you have a choice. Take some photos around your house and show me some 2D shapes, or there is a Seesaw Dinosaur Edition activity in there. Don't forget you can go on the math app, Happy Numbers. I'd really like to start seeing friends get on there for maybe 10-15 minutes a day or longer if you choose. The app is great because it lets me see where the kids are missing math skills, so then I can better support you at home. So try to get your kiddo on that app for sure each day. In reading today, you'll do day 2 in Reader's Workshop and day 2 of phonics. There will be a Seesaw activity in there ready for you. Ick words is what we're working on today. Reading fluency, ball words, and then our Junie B. Jones read aloud is here for the students. In writing today, we have Easy Write Practice. You can click on this link and pull up some handwriting pages if you prefer. You don't have to. Journal writing is to go on to Epic. The students should know how to do this. Your link is at the top of the learning board. Pick a dinosaur book and then share some facts that you learned. And then over in the science part, there is some more fun fact videos to watch. And then I love how to draw. And I know I have a lot of friends in class that love to draw too. So I would love to see those dinosaur pictures that you create and then give me some facts about them. So I hope you guys have a great day learning. I am so excited to see you on Google Meet if it works out. Otherwise, I will see you again tomorrow morning. Have a great day, guys. I miss you so much.